Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be creating a berry look using the Huda Beauty Strawberry Latte collection. Guys, this came in my favorite color and I'm super excited about it. I have cleansed my mother's skin, moisturized with the Embrace moisturizer. This particular primer has been discontinued, so I'm currently on the lookout for a stronger mattifying primer. So this particular floral primer was recommended to me by my client. She swears by it that it helps with oils and pores in her skin. So I decided to try it out. After applying this primer, you want to make sure it dries down to a good level before you apply any other product, especially foundation on the face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation and Estee Lauder foundation. I love how I can mix foundations and get the right shade and undertone. It just gladdens my heart. I feel like that's the first stage to an amazing makeup application. Your base has to make sense. When it does, the remaining part of the makeup process will be a breeze. Now we need to cover up my model's discoloration. So I'm going to be using 3 shades of concealer for the entire process. I'm going to be layering on 2 shades of the Huda Beauty concealer and 1 shade from Tarte. Bear in mind that I am not using a lot. I'm only applying enough and blending, which is why I am layering. Here, I was just showing my model the amazing, beautiful bag I got from the Huda Beauty PRL they sent a few days ago. Being on the Huda Beauty PRL list is the highlight of my 2026. Guys, something incredible happened a few days ago. I even posted it on my shorts. So let me just brief you guys. I was home doing nothing actually, and then I got a message that I was going to be receiving a package from Huda Beauty, entire range of products. I'm still very shocked. This is like almost a week, but I'm still very shocked. Like, I'm just so thankful and grateful. Now I'm going to be using these 2 liquid blushes from the Strawberry Latte collection. I love these blushes for 2 reasons. One, because it's quite pigmented and it has this shimmery effect on the skin. Secondly, the wand from the blush applicator is actually really nice that you can scoop out enough product. After blending the blush, I'm going to be contouring the nose with a dark shade of the Huda Beauty foundation. After doing that, I'm going to be blending the under eyes first and setting with the Kosas powder. And of course, the Huda Beauty loose powder. Also, my model has a oily skin as well as a large pore, so I want to make sure that I'm really minimizing the pores, which is why I'm going to be using a lot of blurring product and blurring powders as well. I'm going to be using this Bicham powder all over the skin or face. This is a finishing powder. It's not meant to be used under the eyes. I mean, you can use it under the eyes, but it will not give you the best result, in my opinion. It is mostly best to be used on the skin, that is the outer part of the skin, or as a finishing powder, if you get what I mean. Now to the star of the show, I'm going to be using the Strawberry Latte blush. The shades from this blush is amazing. It's to die for. I've used it on my clients over the week and it is chef kissed. I love it so much, guys, especially on women of color. Now, I was also sent the green matcha loose powder, which is meant to be used to minimize redness. So in color theory, green cancels red, right? So this is more reason why I'm using it for this particular stage of the makeup, because I want you guys to actually see the use of this powder, which is the green loose powder from Huda Beauty. So just in case you apply a whole lot of blush, you have blush blindness and then you're wondering, how can I fix this? You don't have to clean up your makeup. You don't have to get angry or feel sad or I've messed up my makeup. You can just pick up the green loose powder and it will minimize or absolutely remove the redness. So after doing all of that, we sprayed and locked in the makeup with the Skinny Divia and the Revolution spray, and also we fixed our brows and just made it work. For this particular look, I'm not going to be focusing a lot on the brows because I want my lips and the blush to stand out. Right now, I'm using the Maroon eyeshadow base, and also I'm going to be using the Sephora powder as my transitioning color, and I'm also going to be using the Strawberry Latte blush on the eyes as well. I'm going to be softly blending all 3 shades of the blush, and then I'm going to be using this particular shade of blush from the first collection. I'm using the shimmery shade from that particular blush on the eyes as well. I've already hit pan just so you know that I love this product. Before we fix our lashes, I'm just going to be lining the eyes with the NYX eyeliner and then fixing our lashes using the Flairbywinnie Beauty lashes and the Flairbywinnie Beauty lash glue. I'm also going to be using this mascara from Dolce & Gabbana, and as you can see, I am using the Flairbywinnie Beauty lash tool to fix the lashes. Now I'm going to be using the NYX liner for the waterline. I didn't want to go with black at all. I'm also going to be going back in with the strawberry blush to smudge the under eyes. I did the other eyes off camera, and now we are on to the lips. I am using the Huda Beauty lip contour stain. The shades I was sent was a bit light for the look I was going for, so I switched to the Huda Beauty matte lip contour instead. The good thing about this particular lip stain is that it does not budge. It is food-proof, kiss-proof. These 2 different types of lip products are best of both worlds, and I always use them, especially on my brides. I'm also going to be using the liquid blush as a lipstick, and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty lip glosses to finish up the lips. I love how this lip turned out. It was exactly what I envisioned. As a makeup artist or someone who loves to apply makeup, this is a proof that you do not necessarily need a lipstick to apply lipstick, if you get what I mean. I literally use just a liner and a blush to achieve this lip color. Now I'm just flushing the blush all around the face. I mean, it's a berry look, right? I'm just going in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake pressed powder just to create more blurring effect on her face. We're almost rounding up this video, and I just want to say thank you so much for sticking around. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share this video, and see ya. Bye.